Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan and gluten-free nut butter cocoa cookies. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the nut butter, sifted powdered sugar, maple syrup, and salt together. Combine and sift the brown rice flour and cocoa powder together. Add the sifted powder to the nut butter mixture and mix until well combined and uniform. You can use any type of nut butter. This time I used tahini. Make sure to use pure nut butter without any additives such as salt, sugar, and oil. Roll the dough between two pieces of plastic wrap until the thickness is 3 millimeters. Cut out the cookie dough with a cookie cutter and place them on a baking pan with either a seal pan or a baking liner. Bake them for about 10 minutes or until the surface becomes slightly darker. These cookies can be kept in an airtight container in a room temperature for up to a few weeks. I hope you enjoy making these delicious nut butter cocoa cookies and share them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.